You are a wage slave. A wage slave is someone who has to sell their labor to survive because they don't own the resources needed to support themselves. In a capitalist system, most people work jobs not because they want to, but because they have to. Rent, food, healthcare, and education all depend on earning a paycheck. Your employer profits from your work, paying you less than the value you produce, which keeps you stuck in a cycle of working just to get by. Debt, rising costs, and lack of real economic freedom keeps you dependent on wages, limiting your choices in life. A wage slavery isn't the same as chattel slavery, but it still traps you in a system where your survival depends on continuous labor, not true freedom. The first step to breaking free is recognizing how the system works and exploring ways to reduce dependency on it. Send this to someone else who is a wage slave.